Hi, honeys. It's Michelle, and I am here today, yay, for probably my favorite thing, to be honest, to open up a Paradise Delivered box. So just to let you know, I am a May baby. I was born at the end of the month. I'm a Gemini, and I've always been a little funny about my birthday. It's kind of weird being born on a weekend when we're honoring a bunch of people that died for our country. Like it feels like, I don't know, it just feels funny. And then on top of that, I've always had a hard time celebrating my birthday because everybody goes out of town, that kind of thing. So, but for some reason this year, it feels like extra celebratory. My mom sent me a just because gift, and then my friend Kristen on here, which I'm sure a lot of you know that her and I have become very good friends after meeting on YouTube. She sent me a birthday gift, which I'm about to show you. And then I also had a booktuber that I really like and have been watching for quite a while send me a birthday book. So if you want to know about the birthday book, I will put the tag for that video up here, the whole story behind it and everything. If you want to know about what my mom sent me, just watch my last video, which was a Dollar Tree video on Friday. And then I will, before I open this box, I'll show you what Kristen got me. So she sent me this card. It's a more personal card, so I'm not going to read it, but it is this really pretty card, and it's a UNICEF card, which I love. Then she wrapped everything in this cute bag, and in the bag she sent these Park Lane jewelry earrings. I'll take them out here. I wanted to do that in this video so I could try everything on for you. Here's the earrings. I'm just going to put these on. Are they cute? So yeah, it's just been kind of a fun early birthday celebration that kind of keeps going, which is great. I wasn't expecting anybody to do anything for my birthday, and this year it's just kind of been a thing. So I guess even though I don't typically get too into my birthday, I guess this year I am. Then the next box she put, I had to show you this. Isn't this pretty? She put this on the box. And this gift, now this is one of those gifts, I've mentioned this before, the best gifts are gifts that you see that make you think of people. And she knows that I love three things, right? I love Golden Girls, I love cats, and I love owls. And so she got me this. Isn't that adorable? I think it's so pretty. And it's got a bell in it. So it's almost like, kind of like I'm a cat, right? With a little bit of a bell sound when I walk around. What do you think? I just love this. I think it's so pretty. It's so me. It doesn't have my name on it, but it's got my name written all over it. And sorry if I fast forwarded while I was putting on the earrings and the necklace, but I don't want to bore you with that. Like, if I'm unwrapping things and it's going to take a minute, or I'm putting something on, I just kind of fast forward it because I feel like you guys don't really want to wait for all that, right? Okay. So this is my birthday gift to myself. My May Paradise Delivered. There's some heavier stuff in here. All right, let's see what we have. So if you get Paradise Delivered, it's $39.99 a month. If I do have a website down in the description box. If you go down in there, it should give you an offer for, if you get on their email list, they'll send you a code for a percentage off your first box. And if you do sign up for the box, I don't get anything out of it. I'm just telling you because I love the box. Ooh. Naobay Natural and Organic Equillibris Face Mist Toner. Moisturizing antioxidant. Isn't that pretty? Look at this nice wood cap on it. Isn't that pretty? Wow, this is a really fancy looking bottle. It says Goddess Refreshing Face Mist. Is it the right one? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I'm sorry. It says, this gentle, refreshing toner containing aloe vera, chamomile extract, and other natural ingredients will provide a feeling of freshness and purity throughout the day while cleansing and moisturizing. Suitable for use on the face, eye, contour, and neck. I wonder what it smells like. Oh. It smells good, actually. It's got like a nice, natural, good smell to it. Like if you were to walk into a yoga studio, what the lobby would smell like, that's what this smells like. And then, ooh. Relax Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter. I love sea minerals. I think, in my oh so humble opinion, sea minerals are by far the best thing for my skin. I can't speak for yours. I know we all are so different, but my skin loves sea minerals. And one thing I don't like about sea minerals, though, every time I find a product I love, they go out of business or it's no longer available. Something about sea minerals specifically. I don't know what that is, but this is Manna Kadar Beauty. The MSRP on it is $26. It's got dead sea minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium that creates a layer of moisture for the driest of skin, leaving your skin soft, silky, and smooth. And that's why I love this stuff. It just far exceeds anything else I've ever put on my skin. And I also try to do dead sea mineral products on my face as well, but it's hard to find them. But if you find them, I really recommend it, especially when it's real natural. Just be careful. Some of them have a lot of fragrance in them, so be careful about that if you're sensitive to it. But I like to take baths in this sea salt that is got the Dead Sea nutrients or minerals in it, and it's just amazing. I feel like a teenager again when I get out of the bathtub. I feel so good, and I don't know how, but it does. It just totally awakens my body or something. Really crazy, but anyway. Okay. Oh, what is this? What? Okay. This is something I've never seen before. Spongelle Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. The MSRP is $18. Perfect for your dry hands and feet. Infused with a skin softening formulation and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. These dual-sided buffers will leave your hands and feet silky smooth. Dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and travel-friendly. Yeah, I think I kind of have this thing where when I travel, I really like to spoil myself. I like to do a face mask and that kind of stuff. And this would be really cool for traveling. It says 7+ washes for each buffer. Okay, so you get it wet and you squeeze it to release the lather. Use the soft side to cleanse and the buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply squeeze the excess water from the sponge. Oh, they smell really good, nice and clean. Have you tried this? Tell me if you have. I want to know. Then we have the Violet Harper Castaway necklace. Look at that box. Isn't that gorgeous? Silver Pave Loop Castaway necklace. Your message in a bottle is here, and it's love yourself with this striking, sophisticated necklace. Perfect for everyday wear and layering. The necklace includes a 16-inch chain and a 4-inch extender. The MSRP is $58. It comes in this cute little bottle. I love that bottle. You guys, what is this? What is this mystery jewelry here? You know I love jewelry. Oh, isn't that delightfully pretty? It's a little bit knotted up here, but this is what it is though. Super pretty, isn't it? You see the side of it too? I really like that. It's like simple but elegant. Very pretty. It almost has, it kind of looks like a barrel or like a tire, you know, the way it's shaped. I really like it. I'm not going to try it on though because I got this necklace on. But I'm definitely going to keep this and you'll see it in a future video. See how it looks and everything. I love this packaging too. How cute is that? And then inside, if you want to screenshot that, you can get 30% off an order on their website with this code. So go ahead and get a screenshot of that if you want to use that code. Gosh, this, you know what this would be perfect for? I almost want to go and buy a couple of these as gifts or something for people for Christmas next year or something. Just seems so luxe. Then we have, what is this? A headband of hope. Oh. Where is it? Twist Turban. MSRP $18. This chic, stylish headband is both soft and comfortable. Best of all, for every headband sold, including yours, this one, I mean, a headband is donated to a child with an illness. Ooh, you got me there. That's my soft spot, knowing that somebody else is being helped with this. Oh, this is cute, isn't it? I like that. Although, I'm not going to wear it. I already know I'm going to give it to somebody as a gift, though. And I know who I'm giving it to. There's somebody that would really love this. But, you know, I never, ever, ever wear headbands anymore. And I never wear these kind when I do because my hair is so fine that they just slide right off my head. But I think it's so pretty. I wish I could keep it. But I know somebody who's going to love this. So I'm going to give it to them. Okay. Let's see. Then, oh, this is nice. Okay, this is Trifle Cosmetics Lip Syrup, MSRP $22. It's a glossy lip stain made with sweet pearl-coated pigments that cover your pout in an enticing luster. Infused with a scrumptious blend of sugar, maple, and vanilla bean extracts to help hydrate and mend dry and chapped lips. Look at that packaging. That's so, so cute. I don't want to put it on right now, though. I don't even want to really open it, to be honest with you, because I have so many lip things. I really have to wait for everything to expire. But, you know, this is actually probably more, just looking at the packaging, something I'd probably use around the holidays. Cute though. So I'm going to put this, set it aside and use it in the fall and winter next year. Give me something to look forward to. Oh, Ooh, more skincare. I love skincare. Kind of obsessed with doing everything I can for my face. Okay. Goddess Luxe Bath and Body Collection Refreshing Face Mist. Yes. I love face mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with this hydrating mist designed to wake up and moisturize your skin. It can be applied prior to makeup application as a hydrating base or on top of makeup. MSRP is $24. Let's see what it smells like here. What does this smell like? It almost smells like, it's got like a plum flavor, or plum scent, excuse me. What's in it? So it's got seawater in it, aloe vera extract, something I can't pronounce, some kind of flower, alcohol. Okay, so it's the flower that I'm smelling. It smells nice though. So I'm going to put that back here. I've got a bunch of different face mists back there. I like to sit where I'm sitting right now when I put on my makeup every day. And when I'm done with my makeup, I put some face mist on. And then I've got a face mist that I use throughout the day whenever my skin feels dry that I've been using for like 12 years or something. And then the last thing here is a book. It's Chasing the Bright Side by Jess Ekstrom, founder of Headbands of Hope. Oh, very cool. Embrace optimism, activate your purpose, and write your own story. That is so wonderful. I love that. And I'm going to give this with the headband to the lady that I was going to give these to, because it looks like those go together, which is fine. I know you're thinking, but you need some optimism. That's true, but I actually just got some books about being more optimistic at the Dollar Tree, which once again, I'll just link that video at the end of this video since I keep referencing it. But the book, the MSRP is $18. It says that it inspires readers to embrace optimism in your life and reimagine your purpose to create good in the world right where you are. The retail value of this box is $208. Let me know what you think of this box. I love it. I just think it's wonderful. I think that they send me things that I would never be able to find on my own or think of buying on my own, but they're luxurious. They're nice. It feels like my birthday every month when I open the box. And I love that they usually send, actually, so far, this is my third box. Every box has had some jewelry in it. And that's nice because even if I don't like the jewelry, which so far I have, I can always give jewelry as gifts. So I really recommend this box. And I'm not saying that because I want you to sign up. There's nothing in it for me if you do. I just think that it's that wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. I do want to tell you, be sure to tune in next Sunday. I've got a clothing video that I think you're going to want to see. I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to get here. It's supposed to get here in 2 days, so. But I think that you're really going to love what clothes I got. All right. I love you. Bye.